Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Selenium WebDriver in Eclipse IDE. First, ensure you have the latest Eclipse IDE for Java developers installed on your system. Next, confirm that the Java Development Kit, or JDK, is properly installed on your computer. Once these prerequisites are met, open Eclipse and create a new Java project. This project will serve as the foundation for all your Selenium automation scripts, providing a clean environment to begin. Now, let's integrate Selenium into your project. Begin by downloading the Selenium WebDriver client drivers from the official Selenium website. After downloading, extract the contents of the zip file to a convenient location on your computer. Finally, in Eclipse, right-click your project, navigate to Build Path, then configure Build Path, and add all the external JAR files from the extracted Selenium folder to your project. This step links Selenium's functionalities to your Java code. With Selenium libraries added, you're ready to write your first script. Create a new Java class within your project. Inside this class, you'll need to import the essential Selenium WebDriver packages such as org, OpenCA, Selenium, WebDriver and org, OpenCA, Selenium, Chrome, Chrome Driver. Then, write a simple script to instantiate a WebDriver, like Chrome Driver, and use it to open a web browser to a specific URL. This basic script confirms your setup is working correctly. To run your script, simply right-click your Java class in Eclipse and select Run as then Java Application. If you encounter errors, a common issue is an incorrect path to your WebDriver executable. Ensure it's correctly specified. Debugging is a crucial part of the process, so don't be discouraged by initial hiccups. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. With practice, you'll master Selenium automation in Eclipse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.